If you're looking to make a makeup cash cow channel, which will be going over in just a few seconds, I want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it's going to get the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a makeup niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys a great one so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. Now we have to be thinking, what was someone interested in makeup? What would they look up on YouTube? So as I looked up the makeup mistakes that make you look older, I see the first 3 results. And the first 2 I wouldn't consider just because it looks like there's a personality behind the channel. So let's go click on the third one, which I'm going to glance over to see if it's a niche channel. Let's go check it out. At the start of the video, we seen that there were some artists applying makeup to what it looks like a celebrity, maybe an actress. Now we're showing you different stock photos of different people smiling and looking happy, all glammed up. Now the video is going to go into more detail talking about the different mistakes that you are doing with your makeup possibly. The great thing about these type of videos is that you don't have to show your face and you don't even have to record yourself to make these type of videos. In the background, I see some subtitles, so there's also most likely a voiceover going along with the video. You can also do a voiceover for yourself by just recording your voice on the app on your phone, or you can also hire someone to do it for you. Now let's go check out the video's performance. As I scroll down, I can see that this video is close to 5.5 million views. The channel itself, the list, is getting close to 2 million subscribers, and the video has some great engagement with over 1,000 comments. Now let's go check out the channel to see if it has any other tips to give us that glam jam. So as I look at their popular videos, I can see that this channel is more tailored to famous people and their transformations. As we see Michelle Obama's transformation, we see the most gorgeous weight loss transformation, and the transformation of Melania Trump. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below, what are your favorite makeup brands? Now let's go check out this channel's monetization. Let's go check out how many views this channel is gaining and how much money they're making through ad revenue. So if I go into this website, I can now see the channel stats. As I scroll down, so now that I could check out the channel's information, I can see how many views this channel has gained in just the past 30 days, as they're clocking in over 23 million views, which is a pretty large audience to be attracting. And just in their monthly earnings, they're getting close to those 6 figures in just the past 30 days, as they're clocking in $94,000 in just ad revenue. And throughout their yearly earnings, this channel has gained those 7 figures, raking in over $1 million. I would also like to mention that this is just one monetization method through your cash cow channel. If you are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go check out just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our free stock footage, our sounds. And no, you don't need the big blinks or some lipstick to get these kind of videos rolling. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just as easy as putting your makeup routine together. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or is it going to get the red light? I would say that the makeup niche does get the green light stamp of approval. I will classify this niche as a sub-niche under the relationships niche, because your physical appearance plays a role when you start interacting with others. There is also a large audience interested in this type of content. As I mentioned before, there are also monetization methods that you can include in your cash cow channel, like the promotion of makeup products. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now I do want to let you guys know that the videos and the channels that we went over in this video, I highly recommend using them as inspiration for your future content. Try not to copy and be as original as you can. And don't worry, let's say this wasn't the niche for you, we're going to be exploring other niches and other videos as well. But let's say this was the niche for you, you now have 2 options. Option A, you can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting some time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you would like access to that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it's going to get the red light. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.